அவங்க அங்கதான் நம்ம ஓகே. The carotid artery beneath the internal jugular vein.
You can see the thoracic bit. Oh yes.
We've done a segmental resection and almost a hemimandiblectomy of the mandible. The other stump, the body that's here, that's the part of the parotid that's retained. We also remove few molars and semi-maxillectomy on the upper jaw. That's the pterygoid muscles there.
Or they should go to the ideally. Only the flappers down towards the spinal.